yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
Half topper in, the 6mm to dust, the kitty half topper, got that all levelled, got both grass areas levelled. Tom's put some soil in the borders and also finished off the last couple of cuts for me. We've jet washed all the area down, ready to lay the grass tomorrow, grout it up and fill up the borders. So still
fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
know when to fold up. Right then, another project completed. We've done the raised artificial grass area, the lower artificial grass area blocked in Brett beaters, 2 sleeper beds, porcelain patio, porcelain pathway. Yeah, all the sleepers were laid on a 5-to-1 bed and then fixed in on posts on each corner, and also fixed using the timber drives on each end. Artificial grass is prepped with type 1 and 6mm to dust. Haunched around the block work and we haunched around the block work and we haunched around the sleepers, and that's what the grass was fixed to. We also weighted it down and brushed it in with kiln dried sand.